Chapter 2: Control Panel in Windows 10. An operating system is the heart of a computer system. It is what makes a computer work. It acts as an interface between the user and computer. It manages the internal components of computer like CPU, memory, etc. The external devices attached to the computer like keyboard, mouse, printer, CD drive, etc. and the files, folders you create. There are many operating systems available in the market. Some popular operating systems are Mac, Linux, Windows, iOS, and Android. Windows is one of the most popular operating systems developed by Microsoft. It is a graphical user interface (GUI)-based operating system which provides graphics such as icons and buttons to give commands to the computer. Windows 1.0 was the first version of Windows operating system. It was released in 1985. Since then, many different versions have been released, including Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10 being the latest. Features of Windows 10. Windows 10 is one of the best trending operating system that was released by Microsoft on July 29, 2015. It can run on desktop computers, laptops, as well as tablets. It is simple, easy to use, and has better performance than older Windows operating systems. Windows 10 combines the best features of Windows 7 and Windows 8 operating systems. It is very user-friendly and easy to learn. Even a person who is not well versed with computers can learn and use it easily. It provides better ways to manage files and folders. Control Panel in Windows 10. Control Panel is a part of Windows OS that allows you to view and change various settings of a computer system. For example, you can use the Control Panel to change the appearance of the screen, modify or uninstall an application, change settings of different devices attached to the computer, etc. Opening Control Panel. To open the Control Panel, follow these steps. Step 1. Type Control Panel in the Type Here to Search text box on the bottom left side of the screen. Step 2. Click Control Panel from the menu. The Control Panel window opens up. You can see Control Panel in 3 different views. Category View. This is the default view of Control Panel. It shows a list of categories such as System and Security, Hardware and Sound, Programs, etc. Each category has a specific purpose. Large Icons View. This view shows a complete list of all Control Panel items without grouping into categories. Small Icons View. This view also shows a complete list of all Control Panel items without grouping into categories, but the size of the icons is comparatively small. You can change the view of Control Panel by selecting the desired option from the View By drop-down list on the right side of the Control Panel window. Customizing the taskbar. You can change the settings of your taskbar using the Control Panel. For example, you can lock the taskbar, hide the taskbar, etc. To customize the taskbar, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Control Panel window. Step 2. Select the Appearance and Personalization category. The Appearance and Personalization window appears. Step 3. Click the Taskbar and Navigation option. The Settings window appears with Taskbar Settings. Step 4. Select and change the desired settings. For example, if you want to change the position of the taskbar, toggle the Switch Off, lock the taskbar option. Now you can move the taskbar to any other position on the screen. If you do not want the taskbar to appear while you are working, toggle the Switch Off, automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode option. This will make the taskbar disappear when not in use and will only appear when you take the cursor to its position. Step 5. Close the window once you are done. Changing system date and time. The current date and time of a computer system is displayed on the right-hand side of the taskbar. If required, you can change the date and time using Control Panel. To do so, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Control Panel window. Step 2. Select the Clock and Region category. The Clock and Region window appears. Step 3. Click the Date and Time option. The Date and Time dialog box appears. Step 4. Click the Change Date and Time button. The Date and Time settings dialog box appears. To change the date, select the day, month, and year in the Date section. To change the time, click inside the text box in the Time section. Now, either type or use arrows to change the hour, minutes, and seconds. Step 5. Click OK to close the Date and Time settings dialog box. Step 6. Click OK to close the Date and Time dialog box and apply the settings. The date and time will be changed accordingly. Changing the mouse settings. Mouse settings such as interchanging the functions of the left and right mouse buttons, changing the speed of the mouse pointer, changing the speed, double-clicking, and changing the look of the mouse pointer can be done using the Control Panel. To change the mouse settings, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Control Panel window. Step 2. Select the Hardware and Sound category. The Hardware and Sound window appears. Step 3. Click Mouse under the Devices and Printers option. The Mouse Properties dialog box appears with buttons as the active tab. In the button configuration section, select the Switch primary and secondary buttons checkbox to reverse the functions of the left and right mouse buttons. Now, you can use the right mouse button for clicking and dragging and the left mouse button for opening a shortcut menu. In the double-click speed section, move the speed slider towards slow or fast. This option is used to decrease or increase the time interval between the two clicks of double-click mouse action. In the Click Lock section, select the Turn on Click Lock checkbox if you want to drag the mouse without holding down the mouse button. Step 4. Click Apply to apply the settings and then click OK to close the dialog box. To change the shape of the mouse pointer, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the Pointers tab in the Mouse Properties dialog box. You will see different pointers in the Customize list box. Step 2. Select the pointer type you want to change from the Customize list box and click the Browse button. The Browse dialog box appears displaying the different types of pointers. Step 3. Select the pointer shape you want and click the Open button. You will see the new pointer shape replaces the original pointer shape in the box next to Scheme section. Step 4. Click the Apply button to apply the changes and then click OK to close the dialog box. Uninstalling a program. When you work in your computer, you uninstall many software applications into your computer. In some cases, some of the softwares you have installed do not work properly, or their versions have been expired. In such cases, you need to uninstall or remove the software from your computer so that it does not occupy unwanted space in the hard disk. In addition, it will also improve the efficiency of your computer. To uninstall a program from your computer, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Control Panel window. Step 2. Select the Programs category. The Programs window appears. Step 3. Select the Uninstall a Program option under the Programs and Features section. The Programs and Features window appears. Step 4. Select the application you would like to uninstall and click the Uninstall button on the bar above the list of applications. Step 5. Windows will ask you for confirmation to uninstall the application. Click Yes to uninstall the program and No to cancel the uninstallation. The program and all its related components will be removed from the hard disk. Quick recap. An operating system is the heart of a computer system. It is what makes a computer work. It acts as an interface between the user and computer. Windows is one of the most popular operating systems developed by Microsoft. It is a graphical user interface (GUI) based operating system which provides graphics such as icons and buttons to give commands to the computer. Windows 10 is one of the best trending operating system that was released by Microsoft on July 29, 2015. It can run on desktop computers, laptops, as well as tablets. Control Panel is a part of Windows OS that allows you to view and change various settings of a computer system. You can also see Control Panel in 3 different views: Category View, Large Icons View, and Small Icons View. Using the Control Panel, taskbar settings, date and time settings, as well as mouse settings can be changed. You can also uninstall an unwanted software from the computer's hard disk using the Control Panel.